Stop buying iPhone 17. Watch iPhone 18 Pro Max revolutionize mobile. Every category wins, unveiling the shocking truth. First, we discuss body. The iPhone 18 Pro Max, a massive 163x7 8x4 3G device, excels in dimensions, durability, IP68, Apple Pay, and features SIMs along with a gym-like weight. Winner, iPhone 17. Now we discuss processor. iPhone 18 Pro Max's A20 Pro with 2nm technology and 8-core GPU outperforms iPhone 17's A19 with 3 gaming photography cores and iOS 27 winning, superior efficiency and powerful GPU. Winner, iPhone 18 Pro Max. Now we discuss display. Both offer the Super Retina XDR OLED display with 260 ppi 120Hz and Dolby Vision. But the iPhone 18 Pro Max lacks nits and includes Ceramic Shield 2 and anti-reflective coating. The winner, similar display with distinct specs. Now you will compare camera. The Pro Max iPhone model comes with a standard 4K Aero 120fps video choice without a telephoto lens, while the iPhone 17 offers a unique feature with 2 cameras, providing a somewhat limited versatility range compared to its competitors. Winner, iPhone 18 Pro Max. Now you will compare front camera. Both phones have identical specifications, including 18MP ultra-wide, f1.9, 3D depth sensor, 4K 60fps video, ProRes RAW, Apple Log 2 and spatial audio. The front camera is a copied from iPhone 17 design. The result is a tie, no upgrade, no effort and nothing to compare. Now you will compare charging and battery. The iPhone 18 Pro Max's 5100mAh battery outperforms the iPhone 17's 4 Apple devices with its intuitive MagSafe wireless and reverse wired charging, providing remarkable connected battery life. Its durability and seamless integration with daily routines make it highly appreciated. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel.